If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new content. This is the standard Intermatic pull timer, and I get a lot of questions. People will ask me on my channel, and they'll even talk to me locally and say, hey, you know, my time is not keeping track. The time on the pull timer is not staying where it needs to stay. And so what I always recommend is to check the motor, and I've already done videos on that where you can see the gears in here moving. Okay, it's going to be actually hard to see in there, but you can see the gears moving. You can hear the noise. There's a motor on the back of this, but there's one thing that I haven't been saying or adding to that is that with these, the on and off tripper, you want to make sure that these are not bent. So if we look at this one, let me lay it right here. Okay, this one is not warped or bent out of shape. If it is, you're definitely going to want to replace it, okay? So just look at yours. If they are bent, go ahead and replace them. They're pretty cheap. And that by itself may keep the problem from happening. Because, you know, I've had people say, you know, my motor's working good. I see the gears moving, you know, and that's what the problem was all along, is that the trippers were bent. So check yours. If you notice that they're bent and out of shape, go ahead and just replace them. It's pretty simple to do. So just wanted to let you know that. All right, well, I hope this helped out some people. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.